Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Even though landlords cannot charge tenants for cleaning services, they can still use the security deposit to cover any costs in order to get the unit back to the condition it was when the tenant moved in. 2 September 2020.
Take our lead.
Who pays for carpet cleaning, tenant or landlord? The landlords we associate with usually charge for excessively dirty carpet if the lease provides for it and their state allows it. Most agree that landlords are responsible for a standard carpet cleaning. They consider that normal wear and tear. 4 October 2017.
Take our lead.
When it comes to cleaning or painting a property, the Rental Housing Act is specific in that the dwelling needs be in a good state of repair after a tenant has moved out. If this is not in the lease agreement, a landlord cannot hold the previous tenant liable for the costs unless the property has been damaged. 8 August 2014.
Take our lead.
The landlord generally has the ability to retain the security deposit for a number of reasons that may include the breaking of a lease and when the person vacates the property before the lease completes.
Take our lead.
If your landlord doesn't refund the deposit after the 7-day notice, you can sue him in small claims court. If your landlord sends a letter on time saying he is withholding some or all of your deposit, but you think the amount is too high, you can still sue him in small claims court.
Let's help you make your mark.
For example, if you determine a coat of paint has a 4-year lifespan, and a tenant leaves scuffed paint after living there 3 years, you may only charge 25%, or 1/4 of the cost to repaint the room. Many landlords operate on the basis of a 2-year repainting cycle, which is not unreasonable.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.